Grating. The word grating can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Let's explore 3 common meanings of the word and provide examples for each. 1. Grating as an adjective. Meaning: when used as an adjective, grating describes something that is irritating, annoying, or unpleasant to the senses, particularly sound. Example 1. The high-pitched, grating sound of nails on a chalkboard made everyone cringe. Example 2. Her grating laughter echoed through the room, causing annoyance to those around her. 2. Grating as a noun. Meaning: as a noun, grating refers to a framework of parallel metal or wooden bars set in a grid-like pattern, allowing the passage of air, light, or sound. Example 1. The ship's deck had metal gratings to prevent people from slipping during rough weather. Example 2. The window in the basement had a rusted metal grating, making it impossible for anyone to enter from the outside. 3. Grating as a verb. Meaning: when used as a verb, grating means to scrape or rub against something with a harsh, unpleasant sound. Example 1. She accidentally dropped her fork, and it went sliding across the plate, grating against the ceramic surface. Example 2. The car's brakes were worn out, causing them to grate loudly every time the driver pressed them. In summary, grating can be an adjective describing something irritating or unpleasant, a noun referring to a framework of parallel bars, or a verb indicating a scraping or rubbing action with a harsh sound.